Hello everyone, it's Robert Evans, and we are back with another Sony camera menu quick tip. Today we are going to talk about cleaning mode. So this is in most of the newer cameras. I have the A7 today, but it's in the A7R, the A9. But did you guys know that there's a cleaning mode where you can actually clean your sensor? Now it's not going to do a deep clean on your sensor, but if there is some surface dust on the sensor, this will get it off, and it's a really quick way. If you're seeing dust in the sensor and you're out in the field, try this first before you send your camera in for cleaning. So let's go to the menu. So when you're in the menu, here's the default opening screen. I want you to use your camera wheel, and we're going to toggle over to the toolbox. Okay, and then you're going to push down so you get into that. And then we're going to go to the second screen out of 7, and there it is towards the bottom. Go down to cleaning mode. And so now you push cleaning mode, and it says perform auto cleaning sensor. So I'm going to hold this to the microphone, and maybe you're going to hear it. And as soon as I hit enter, the camera is going to vibrate and shake. And then it tells you that it's done and to turn the power off. So you just turn the power off on your camera and then turn it back on. And hopefully whatever little bit of dust you had on your sensor, you got it off. And another quick tip to keep your sensor clean, there's 2 things that you should do. 1, always turn the camera off when you're changing lenses or SD cards. And when you do change lenses, when you have the cover off the camera like this, keep it down so that dust and stuff doesn't fall into it. So make it a habit when you put your lens on to put it on like this and twist it and put it on that way. That way you keep dust and other things out of the sensor and your sensor stays clean. So that's how you clean the sensor on the newer Sony cameras in the cleaning mode. Thanks again for watching, and keep on the lookout for more of our Sony camera menu tips.